Are you looking to buy an investment property and not sure how to get a loan? Maybe you're thinking that you don't show as much income and you won't be qualified, or you're not sure how you can be qualified. Well, we have a solution for you. I have a special guest today, Michael Galanti from Jrl&x. He's going to share with us how you can buy an investment property with no income. Let's get started. Hi, Michael.
Hey, how are you?
It's great to have you
Nice
here again. Let's talk about DSCR loan. What is DSCR loan?
So DSCR stands for debt service coverage ratio. The way these loans work is an appraiser will give us what the market rents are of the property. As long as those market rents cover the mortgage payment, we could potentially give an investor a loan to buy the property. We don't verify the buyer's income or any other thing revolving around income besides the actual rent of the property.
Who is a good candidate for this?
So a good candidate is they work for investors, so somebody typically has to have already owned a property, and an investor that maybe does not show income or claim income on their taxes or is able to provide anything that we can validate outside of just the property itself. So if let's say that you're self-employed and you write off a lot of your income, or maybe you're not employed at all, this is a loan that you could potentially get to qualify you to buy an investment property, because like I said, all we look at is the property itself to make sure that the rents cover the actual mortgage payment.
Wow, this is an amazing news, and I'm sure a lot of our viewers can take advantage of this loan program. So do they need to create separate LLC for this? How the process will work?
Yeah, so depending upon the type of loan we're doing, what type of debt service ratio loan we're doing, and the investor, some allow for an LLC, some don't, but no, typically you do not need to create an LLC. If you do want to create an LLC, we just got to make sure that we're working with an investor that does allow it to be in an LLC.
Okay, perfect. So you just buy it under your name?
Yeah, most people buy it under their, most people buy it under their name. Like I said, if they do want to buy it under LLC, just let us know ahead of time. We just make sure we're working with an investor that does allow it.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So how much down payment do they need to start this loan?
Yeah. So typically, most of the time, a minimum down payment for a loan like this is 20%.
Okay, so 20% down payment, and then how long is the process?
So these loans are relatively quick since we don't have to validate the income, which usually takes the longest. So usually we close these things in 2, 3, 4 weeks, typically under a month.
That's amazing. And is this only for single family, or they can buy multifamily?
No, multifamily as well. So multifamily is allowed.
Oh, that sounds good. So with this DSCR loan, what are the required documents that they need to submit?
Yeah, so like I said, income is not calculated. We don't require any income documents. So we're going to need the bank statements just to document they have enough money for closing. In some cases, reserves are needed, so we want to see just make sure they have enough money for closing and have money thereafter. And we're going to look at their credit, essentially just making sure they're paying their bills on time. And if they hit their current mortgage now, they want to make sure that's being paid on time. But like I said, income's not being looked at, so we're not going to need any pay stubs, tax returns, W-2s, anything like that.
Oh, perfect. And how much reserves do they need? Is there a specific months of reserves?
So every scenario is going to be different. In some cases, 0 reserves are needed. In some cases, they want 6 months worth of reserves. It really all depends upon the specific client and how we're looking at it.
Thank you so much, Michael. This was a great information. And for our viewers, if you have any further questions regarding how this loan works and how you can be qualified to purchase with DSCR loan, please comment below, or you have our contact information. You can give us a call and we're happy to help you.
Feel free to reach out. Be happy to help any questions you have on DSCR loans.